Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TypeScript on Node.js projects, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with TypeScript in your Node.js project, first, make sure you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official Node.js website and download the latest version. Once Node.js is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. If you don't have a project set up yet, you can create a new directory and initialize it by running dir myproject followed by cd myproject. Initialize a new Node.js project by running the command npm init. This will create a default package.json file in your project folder. Next, you will need to install TypeScript globally. Run the command npm install g-typescript. To confirm that TypeScript is installed correctly, you can check the version by running tscv. Now that TypeScript is installed globally, we will add it to our project as a dependency. Run the command npm install save dev TypeScript. After the installation is complete, you need to initialize a TypeScript configuration file. Execute the command npx tsc init. This will create a itsconfig.json file in your project directory. Open the itsconfig.json file in your text editor to customize your TypeScript settings. You can set options such as the target version of JavaScript, module resolution, and more. Next, create your first TypeScript file in the project directory. You can name this file index.ts. Open index.ts and add some basic TypeScript code, like a simple function or a variable. To compile your TypeScript files, run the command npx tsc. This will compile your .ts files into .js files based on the settings in your itsconfig.json. Finally, you can run the compiled JavaScript file with Node.js using nodeindex.js. Congratulations, you have successfully installed TypeScript in your Node.js project and created your first TypeScript file. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.